Governance. Don't ask me if me and my ex can be friends. High key like puck drop top shelf net. Selly slide, oof, like 2 nines overhead. Messier, he mess with a yay. Messy, ayy. When I let it spray, like let it spray. Short of chandelier, lettuce instantiate. Pulse bandoliers, man's had to break. From playing 8 with zombies on chain. I don't do it for the blockchain. That pace where have you living a slave. Listen my ninja, the blockchain. Outdated protocols will have you feeling constrained. When you can't individually name when you've earned, let alone saved. The value from addressing real pain. I could devalue any and all banks. They stocks ain't worth what they say.
Hey, y'all let me know if you want me to do more of these big black crypto raps, shorts, you know what I mean? I just wanted to highlight how banking putting their money back in their own institutions can improve and enhance significantly, or it's going to give up